go back to school to learn how to drive.
All right, that's enough.
We were just taking a look at Roary's new learner driver plates.
Oh, very funny. Please, Big Chris, I don't want to wear learner plates. I don't need driving lessons.
Sorry, son. There's nothing I can do about it. It's Mr. Carbetter's orders. Right, you lot, get ready for the test race. Oh, Roary, Marsh is waiting to put you through your paces up at the farm.
Oh!
Right, are you ready to start your driving lessons, Roary?
Suppose so.
First, I want you to drive in and out of the cones.
Right.
Without knocking any over. Oh, start again. Slowly.
Oh!
I'm going to tell Flash about this. Oh, where am I? Flash, are you there? Oh, there you are. Guess what? Roary is having driving lessons up at the farm.
Oh, toot my carrots. I've got to see this, Malcolm.
Not bad, Roary. Okay, now try a 3-point turn so you're facing the other way. And no bumps, so...
Yes, I know. To do it slowly. I've never heard of a racing car doing everything slowly.
Roary, you better get used to wearing those learner plates.
I think you better try that again, Roary. And concentrate this time.